Welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Momo. If you ain't know, now you know. And today, as you can see by the title, I am back. Temu accessories are all. Stay tuned. Yo. Anyways, guys, so excuse my hair, please do. My gel is finished and I just finished filming a Temu try-on haul, Temu and Shein try-on haul. Make sure you check that out. It's gonna be here. It's gonna be in the description down below. Click it, watch it, and then come back to this video. But yeah, that is why my hair is looking like this. Sorry. So the first thing we have is this speaker. It's a speaker, guys, but it's in the shape of a what do you call this? A hair pod. So let me tell you, this is extremely loud. This is probably one of my favorite speakers that I've ever bought. Seriously, I do recommend. And if you want to purchase this, go ahead. It works. It's loud. I think you can plug a USB in it to play music as well. This is where you charge it, USB, and this is how you turn it on. Y'all hear that? I'm filming on my phone right now, so it's really hard to like play music right now to let y'all hear it, but it's loud. It's pretty loud. I'm not even joking. Let's move on. So guys, I bought this can oatmeal thing because I wanted to do a gadgets me testing out gadgets video, but that ain't gonna happen anymore. But that is why I bought this, to test it out. But it still comes in handy because it's supposed to open cans. All you have to do is just put this part on the can, press this button here, and it just opens it. Simple as that. 1, 2, 3 ABC. 1, 2, 3 ABC. Yeah. But I think it needs battery. Yeah, it needs batteries. And this is how it's looking. Yeah. Go ahead and purchase it. Yeah, I want another humidifier. Why? I have no clue. I just did. But it's similar to the other one in the Shein video. It's nothing much about it. Just I wanted to purchase a big one, and I ended up getting another small one. Like, girl, get it together. Get it together. So I got this little bag to put my oh my god, my mind went blank a while ago. To put my sanitary napkins in so I can put it in my bag. Jeez. So I can put it in my bag, you know, because we always need sanitary napkins to take with us everywhere we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it, because the one that I have right now is not giving. Okay. Right. Next up is this phone stand. This is how it's looking. Oh, it has a mirror. Yeah. Hey, cutie. Anyways, Okay. Hi guys. Put your phone here. Let's just pretend that this is the phone, okay? This is how you set it. Uncle, yeah. I have no clue what this is. What is this? Oh, why is it so small? Bro, they scammed me. It's a mirror, but why is it so small? Actually, it can work. It can work. It can work. I got this because whenever I'm doing my hair, I can just in the mirror to part my hair. That's the main reason why I got this, because y'all know I don't do makeup. So what is this? You come and mash up this something. It come with battery. Lord Jesus. But why come with battery? It have light. Ango. Oh guys. Off. Off. Can I see? Off. On. Off. On. Right. Let's put that away before I mash it up more. Next up, I bought this ice tray because I bought a bottle. It's cute. It's so cute. So I want cute ice to go with my cute bottle. Hello. But this is what it's giving. Guys, this is the bottle. So cute. No. Oh my god. I don't know, I love it. I love it. I love it. I wanted it in purple, but they didn't have it in purple, so I had to stick to blue. But that's what it's giving. No. So guys, this is what I ordered. This is what I got. What is this? What is this? But anyways, it's supposed to be a period releaser, pain releaser, whatever. I haven't tried it yet, obviously, but I'm really excited to try it because if this works, game changer. Okay. This is supposed to close back your chips whenever you're eating. Say for instance, you eat and you want to close it, put away some for another day. You can just put this there and it closes back. This is supposed to be a hair dryer bonnet. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it's long. It's long. You put your hey, you put your hair in this part, you lock it up, and then you put the blow dryer in this part. Yeah. And that's that. And as you can see, it's travel size. It's easy to take anywhere with you. Say you want to go on vacation. Let's see what this is. Oh. Oh, it's a watch. I don't even wear watch. I don't even know why I bought it. But it's time for a change, you hear me? Time for a change. This is what it's giving. This is what it's giving, baby. Let's set it up. I look like I want. Why? I turn the summer upside down. I know I cannot see. But anyways, guys, this is what it's giving. I'm gonna try and set it up afterwards. Checks your heart rate. Okay. I got me a microphone. God damn. So this one attaches to me. Yeah. And this one goes to the phone. I wonder if I can hold it on my phone. I think so. And then it has, I don't know if this is a charger or what, but yeah. I think this is supposed to be Bluetooth. How does this work? Oh, it has an on button. Hello? Oh, my God, plug it in. Let's see if it works. Mic check. 1 2 1 2. You work? Crook there. Cause I be a customer where I work these days. Like cramps. Yeah, cramps. But this is what it's giving. It's cute. I got another one in my cart. Yeah. But let's try it on. They fit perfect. Ooh. Oh no, I gotta sit there. No. Anyways. Oh. I love them. They smell like foreign. They smell like foreign. This is a hat. I can't put it on right now, but I'm gonna see if I can insert a picture here of how it looks on someone's head. But yeah. The Gadget that I bought to try out. Maybe I can try these on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, guys. Um, but this one is for like drinks, like for if you're having a little get together, a little party or whatever. You can just put the drinks in the hold on. I don't know where this is supposed to go, but you put the drinks in this part, you turn it this way, and then you put the drinks here, and then you should get it through this part. Press this down and you should get the drinks from this part. I think I'm gonna try this on TikTok. Follow me. I don't know why it came with this. Oh, I had to pour I'm gonna try it out. Bought an umbrella. I bought an umbrella. Where's the opening? Oh. I bought this because it's like so small and it can fit in my bag. This distance is taking on for sure. Don't come over my head, you know, because marriage is in my big. I shall be getting married soon. But this is the umbrella. Umbrella. Like this watch. I got another watch. As I said, I'm trying to change. I want to start wearing watches. But this one, this is how it looks. It comes with a necklace. It came with earrings, rings. Yeah. Let me show you all them. Let me show you them. Why this not open? Can't buy that. Something dropped. Jesus. Oh, I wanted the earring back. But this is the earring. That's the earring. This is the chain. Oh, it comes with a bracelet as well. This is the chain. The ring. And the bracelet. They match me out though. They match me right out. Yeah. And for the watch, why is it so big? Are you kidding me? Can I take one of these things off? Hold on. Bro, so look quite nice and it big. What am I gonna do? What to do? What to do? Can't believe this. I can't believe this. What to do? What to do? That's crazy. Anywho, thingies to go on my little camera area there, like the ones for computers and stuff. And I bought these are gels of, well, I don't know if y'all know that, but yeah, the gel is supposed, when you push up, the gel is supposed to come through here, like into my little edge. Let me try right now. Let me see if it's gonna work. Guys, believe me, it takes a while. It takes a while. Oh, there we go. I don't know if I can see. You can see it? Yeah, see there? It'll come up. Right? And then you just go something like this. This gel cannot lay my edges, but y'all get the point. Yeah. Baby hair in New Pro. And then I got this. Do y'all know what this is? This is supposed to be a teeth whitener, right? And I saw it everywhere advertising on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok. The ads them would have killed me. So I'm saying, you know what? Let me just go ahead, purchase it, try it out. So it's called Smile Kit. And this is what it's looking like. Why may I waste it? But anyways, that's what it's looking like. It's supposed to make your teeth white, whatever. I haven't tried it yet, so I have no idea if it works or not. And then we have this. Is this the only thing that's left? We have this right here. So this is a highbrow color thingy thing. I think I bought 2 of these. It's supposed to go something like this. Y'all see that? Oh! Oh! Baby, no. But let me show y'all. Can y'all see? That's what it's supposed to give. That's what it's supposed to give. Okay, let's take a thumbnail real quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please ensure that you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.